You already have social listening, and it's powerful. Billions of conversations and endless insights at your fingertips. But even the best insights can take time to uncover because making sense of all that noise takes effort. That's where Trellis comes in. Hi, I'm Tazi, and in this Sprout Bites video, I'm excited to walk you through how our new AI agent can help you make the most of social listening. Trellis takes the power of listening and accelerates it. Instead of searching through dashboards, you can just ask Trellis. You'll see some Trellis conversation starters here, but I can also type in a question. I'm going to ask what are content themes Trellis is seeing that could resonate well with my audience. Trellis turns billions of data points into clear, contextual answers, freeing you to focus on what matters most, which is action. With listening, you see what's happening. With Trellis, you get tailored answers instantly, helping you make smarter, faster strategy decisions than you could with listening alone. So we're seeing some data come in here. In this example, as a large pet retail brand, I'm curious what trending content themes are happening in my industry. It detects shifts in sentiment, spots emerging themes, and surfaces insights before issues spread or competitors get ahead. I can then take these insights and make it relevant to my brand. For this example, I'll ask Trellis to give me ideas of how I can incorporate these insights into upcoming campaigns. And now I'm seeing some really creative content ideas that are unique to my brand, but will resonate across my industry based on measured performance. You move from what are people saying to how do we act, adjust, and lead. That's the power of listening with Trellis. Listening shows you what's happening. Trellis helps you decide what happens next. Together, they redefine what's possible with social data. Start exploring Trellis and listening today and discover insights faster than ever.